Hello students, today I am going to continue explanation of chapter 1 Issue of Shares. In my previous video, I have explained you that the procedure of public issue can be divided into two parts. Number 1, procedure of share application, and number 2, allotment of shares. Today I am going to explain you the procedure for share application. The procedure for the share application can be divided into the following stages. Number 1, opening of a bank account. Bankers to the issue are appointed by a company to make all transactions related to the issue of shares. The company can open a current account in any scheduled bank for making transactions regarding the issue of shares. For the purpose of public issue, the company opens a special bank account with the bankers to issue, which is known as escrow bank account. This account is closed after the completion of the process for share allotment. As per latest guidelines of SEBI, 1st January 2016, share application can be made only through ASBA. Application supported by blocked amount. According to the ASBA procedure, the share application money is blocked by the bank where the applicant holds his account. The money remains blocked till the share allotment is done and the application money is transferred to the company's account. As soon as the allotment of share is done, the amount of share allotted is transferred from the bank account of the applicant to the bank account of the money. Thus, the question of refunding the application money on shares not allotted does not arise. Number 2, receiving share applications. Once the prospectus is sanctioned by SEBI, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, the company gives advertisement in newspapers and publicly announces the period during which the public offer will remain open for public subscription. Generally, this period is 3 to 5 days. All investors willing to apply for shares can obtain share application forms from the share brokers, sub-brokers, stock exchanges or banks recognized for the purpose of ASBA. Investor will deposit the duly filled in share application form along with all details, signature and copy of permanent account number to brokers who manage to deposit the application forms to banks recognized for ASBA application supported by blocked amount process so that the share application money can be blocked in the respective bank account of applicant. Applicants can directly approach banks recognized for ASBA process and deposit the share application for further process of blocking the application amount. No checks are required for the process of ASBA. Under the ASBA process, it is compulsory to deposit the application form to any of the recognized branches of bank for ASBA process in which the applicant holds his bank account because the bank requires to block the application money in the account. The process for allotment is carried out after verifying the specimen of signatures in the bank account and demat account of applicant. After receiving the share applications and blocking the application money, the bank informs the same to registrar of the companies and only those applications of which the application amount is blocked are handed over to lead manager of the company by banks. Third, classification of share applications. A statement of share application is prepared after receiving share applications. Applications with incomplete information are rejected. Applications qualifying for share allotment are classified into various categories of investors. As per SEBI guidelines, applicants are to be classified as number 1, retail investors, number 2, non-institutional high net worth investors, number 3, institutional investors, number 4, employees of the company if shares are reserved for allotment to employees of the company. As per SEBI guidelines, it is necessary to reserve 10% of shares issued for retail investors. Generally, a company discloses the reservation made for each class of investors for shares to be allotted in its prospectus. Fourth, share application and statement of share allotment. The number of applications received in each category is compared with number of shares to be allotted in their respective category. If the number of applications received in a category are more than the shares to be allotted, then proportionate allotment is done. Allotment is finalized in consultation with the company secretary, lead manager to the issue and representatives of the recognized stock exchanges. A statement of allotment containing details of the name of applicant to whom shares are allotted, number of shares allotted, demat account number, depository participant ID, etc. is prepared. Depository and depository participants are informed about the shares allotted to respective applicants, and shares allotted are credited to respective demat account of the applicant. A demat account is an account to hold financial securities in electronic form. In India, demat accounts are maintained by two depository organizations, National Securities Depository Limited and Central Depository Services Limited. The price of shares allotted is transferred from the amount blocked under ASBA to the escrow bank account of the company. Applicants are informed about the shares allotted or not through SMS and email by the stock exchange and depository participant. The company also informs about the allotment of shares to the Registrar of Companies and SEBI. The company is required to complete the entire process from receiving share applications to allotment of shares and listing of shares on recognized stock exchange within 15 days as per SEBI guidelines. Thank you.